Tax season is here, which means it's time to answer one of the most common questions people ask every year. What documents do I actually need to file my taxes? Because showing up with a shoebox, 3 emails, and I think I have everything, it's not a plan. Before we get too far, quick heads up. There's a free tax documents checklist linked in the show notes below. You can download it, follow along, and make sure you don't miss anything important. Future you will be very grateful. Identification documents. Let's start with the basics, proving you exist. Identification documents come first because before the IRS takes your money, they want to confirm that you're a real person. For taxes, you'll need your social security numbers for you, your spouse, and your dependents, dates of birth, a photo ID, banking information for direct deposit, and an IRS identity protection PIN if you have one. Quick reminder, dependents must be people. Pets, plants, and emotional support houseplants do not qualify. Income. Next up is income. This is where the IRS asks how money found its way into you this year. Common documents include W-2s from employers, 1099s for side gigs, unemployment, interest and dividends, Social Security or pension statements, investment sales, and gambling winnings. Yes, gambling winnings count. If a casino sent you paperwork, the IRS would also like to see it. Quick pause. If you are already thinking there is no chance I'm tracking all this myself, that's fair. That's exactly why people work with Pink Harbor CPA. We help individuals, families, and self-employed taxpayers get their returns done accurately without the guessing, Googling, or panic filing. And real quick, if this video is helping, hit the like and subscribe. It helps the channel and it costs you $0, which is my favorite price. Deductions. All right, back to it, deductions. This is the I spent money too section. Deductions exist to make your tax bill slightly less offensive. You may need records for charitable donations, medical and dental expenses, student loan interest, state and local taxes paid, and educator classroom expenses. Important note, deductions require proof. Saying, I swear I donated a lot is not documentation. Credits. And now let's talk credits, where things get exciting. Unlike deductions, credits reduce your tax bill dollar for dollar. Credits are the tax code's rare moments of generosity. You'll want documents for your childcare expenses, education credits, including Form 1098-T, health insurance purchase through the marketplace, energy efficiency purchases, and adoption-related expenses. Think of credits like coupons, except if you forget them, no one reminds you. Quick pause for a second. Comment below with a tax form you always struggle to get. You know the one that somehow disappears every tax season. Homeowner credits and deductions. If you own a home, congratulations. Taxes just got more complicated. Homeowners should gather mortgage interest statements, property tax records, receipts for energy efficiency upgrades, EV charging equipment information, and closing statements if you bought or sold a home. And no, repainting the living room because you didn't like the vibe does not count. Self-employed and ride food delivery drivers. This last section is for freelancers, business owners, and anyone whose car has seen things. If you're self-employed or drive for Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, or Instacart, you'll need 1099 forms, records of income not reported on forms, mileage logs, business expenses like phone bills and supplies, and home office information if applicable. If you don't have a mileage log, that means that you'll be taking a trip down memory lane to rebuild it. Taxes are much easier when you show up prepared. Download a free checklist in the show notes. Get organized and save yourself time and stress. If you'd rather have this handled for you, Pink Harbor is here to help. You could schedule online using the link in the show notes or call us at 856-226-9524. And remember, bring documents, not vibes.